So what you should see is I have a smiley face. So as long as nothing else is going on, my robot is going to smile, all right? Now, what happens if I press the button? So hopefully you see that. When I press the button, the robot moves, right? Now, I don't like it. I'm going to tell you why I don't like it. I don't like it because the robot moves the same way all the time. So I want it to go clockwise sometimes. I want it to go counterclockwise sometimes. And it's also moving too long. I don't like that either. So here's something, and this is how I got good at coding. I know it's not the best way to learn, but I learned to code by trial and error before I was more systematic with it. So like basically what I'm doing right now is I am figuring out what I don't like about my code and I'm fixing it. So some things I don't like that it turns the same way all the time. So I wanted to spin. I don't want it to go forward or backward because I want it to stay on my desk and I don't want it to drive off. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a variable. And I'm going to call the variable dir. Dir is going to stand for direction. Okay. And in on start, which means when I first start coding, I'm going to define dir to be 0. And what dir is going to do is it's going to oscillate back and forth between 0 and 1. And based upon whether it's 0 or 1, the robot should be going clockwise or counterclockwise. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another if condition inside of here that says, I'm going to put it right here. Okay. If dir is greater than 0, I want it to turn one way. If dir is less than 0, I go to logic, I want it to turn another way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to say variables. If dir is greater than 0, then I want it to turn that way. Or if dir is 0, I want it to turn the other way. So now I'm going to put a 50 here, a 100 here, a negative 50 here, and a negative 100 here, okay? So that means it's going to turn two different directions. Make sure you're like